Moving into our navigation now. So if your phone doesn't have navigation, you can skip a couple minutes ahead. Outside of that, let's take a peek. So in order to use navigation, we're going to start off just by hitting search, and you're going to type in the address that you want to navigate to. So you're going to start typing, pause in between every letter as well, because it will, as you can see, update the address here. You're going to select your address, and now you can either save it as a favorite, or you can just start in order to be able to navigate to it.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
Perfect. There we go.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
So nice and straightforward there. In order to be able to cancel the route that we've currently got going on, we're just going to hit this little X button at the top there and cancel the route out. Takes a second there. Moving back up to our controls here. Jumping into the menu, we've now got some different options for our screen view here. So full map or just highway exit info. Navigation settings is going to be the big one in the nav menu here. So as we get into the nav settings, we've got map preferences, which are going to be things like, the big one will be the point of interest icon. So that's going to be when gas stations and coffee shops and things like that show up. It's just a matter of personal preference there. Jumping back into our route preferences here, tons of options so we can choose between the fastest, shortest, or the most eco-friendly route. Dropping down a bit here so we can either avoid freeways, toll roads, ferries, or tunnels. Really a matter of your personal preference. So if you don't like driving on the 407, you can select that here so that the vehicle does not get you on the 407, so you're not looking at extra charges as you're driving. Back here, one more setting is going to be our navigation preferences now. And navigation preference is really going to be about the guidance prompts. So we've got the ability to select voice and tone, voice or tone only. So that's going to be as we come up to an upcoming turn, what happens? Do we get a voice from the computer and a tone? Do we get a voice or just a tone? Personal matter of preference, play around with a couple to see which one you prefer. And let's X out and go back and back. And last one I'm going to point out here is going to be either our home or work address. So we can set a favorite up for our home and work. One of the cool things about doing that is that if you then use the voice activated steering wheel button in order to navigate, you can simply press the button and say navigate home, and it's automatically going to take that address that you've either added to your home or work address to navigate you there. Really, really cool feature.